Alrighty, everybody, welcome back to Mr. Preppers, and yeah, let's get flowing with this mission to go smack some wolves. But first, let's make as many of these as I can because my guy is getting hungry. My guy is blitzing through cooking up smoothies. It's called batch cooking. That should be enough for now. Let's open that up. Toss that in there. And let's go this way. Because I need to go smack a wolf. Ooh, more berries. Now that I got a baseball bat, I feel a lot more comfortable. I don't think I can smack a deer with a baseball bat. Okay, there really needs to be a quick button that I can do that. Alright, grab that. Berries are already always good, so let's go to level 2. Don't want to waste any more time. Just go ahead and head up to the next level. Finally gonna go smack some wolves. Alright. Sure, I hit the E button. There we go. There we go. Uh-oh. Oh no. Aha. Got them all. Can I loot them? Did I already loot them? Nice. Slices of meat. Okay. Let's close that up. Don't forget to... Oh, I meant to grab that. And here's her little cabin thingamajig. Let's see what she's got in here. Because she said we can take it all. And by golly, I'm going to take as much as I can. Trying to hide some seeds on me, eh? Oh, And I... Ooh, what's... Nothing? Oh. One right here. Grab that. Ah. For some reason it's talking about a plague. I wonder what that's referring to nowadays. I don't know what she did to the antlers. Any hootie. Let's see what she says now. Unlock Jenny. Fantastic. Sleep issues. Herbal tea and mushrooms. And unlocked a mine. Cool. Suppose I should go ahead and install the, what you call it, the lever into the lift right now, so I don't forget to. Also need to head back to base, grab some chow, because that fighting did a number on my food. Of course I can't run after the deer. Come here, I'm going to club the deer. Oh well. Now let's go home. Alright. So I got stuff. Let's go down here. Let's craft. Oh, I forgot to put that there. Got some wolf skin. Got some seeds. Got some basic bait. Alright, so I need to go down one more. Up. Let's go. Let's go with that. Uh-oh. How do I... Need to sleep. And my food's gonna bottom out. Days are starting to cruise by a little bit. Planting, watering, and harvesting plants increases your preparedness. Yeah, I know. Uh-oh. bit more. My preparedness is a bit on the low side. Alright, so I'm gonna actually grab that. Grab that. Aha! You can't find me now! There we go. And let's go here. Craft. I'm gonna need another ladder. Let's toss this right here. At least I don't need a... Let's grab everything out of this. Take all. I forgot to cook. As many smoothies as I can. Oh, let's take. Oh, that's why it's showing I can't take it. My weight's getting a bit too high. Okay, so I need to find. Let's go down here for now. Gonna play a little bit of craft merry-go-round with this stuff. Alrighty, guys, getting a bit on the tired side. Alright, everybody, I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.